What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about such a significant, truly a significant move in the drone sector. The company we're really going to be talking about is DroneUp, and ladies and gentlemen, this is tremendous. They go out and they get a partnership where they did some trials, they conducted some trials with drone deliveries, and now this is leading to Walmart investing into DroneUp. This is absolutely incredible because we understand the magnitude of what Walmart provides and can bring. We understand how their delivery aspect is definitely needing to be pushed out there. This is tremendous. I'm super excited to talk about this. I have already talked about DroneUp, and we're going to talk about that a little bit more in depthly into this video. But ladies and gentlemen, if you can't tell, I'm hyped about this. I'm super pumped, and I'm excited to talk about it. So if you're interested in this content, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. I gotta make you wait just a little bit more before we start talking about this because I need to ask you to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and that's right, it's time to get into this video. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I honestly 100% could not be more excited about providing this video to you guys, and it's because it feels to me that it's all starting to come to fruition. We're starting to see businesses, we're starting to see companies that are really taking the drone aspect seriously. And Walmart has done that for a while now, and we'll find that out. They've definitely done some research. They've definitely partnered with a few companies to really make sure that they are getting their hand in and testing out a lot of drone aspects. I think that's significant because they understand, again, the importance of how this is going to be moving forward in technology, but also just really creating a delivery that is quick, but also a lot cheaper in cost. And so this is massive information. I'm definitely going to be doing another video talking about how the FAA has formed a committee and they're really starting to take the beyond visual line of sight a lot more seriously, and they're really starting to lay the groundwork and the playbook for how these drones are going to really engage and interact within the FAA airspace. We understand that that's a huge piece, that's a huge hurdle that they're trying to accomplish, because that really, once that happens and the playbook is there, the key is unlocked and the door opens, we're going to start to see this happen. And I think it's coming, and I think it's coming a lot quicker than we thought due to the pandemic, but also I think some strides are just being taken. I think we're finally getting to where the wheels are starting to turn. We're starting to see some things happen. So I'm really excited to dive in and talk about this with you guys. So here we go. Now, this article was actually put out by Walmart's corporate website, and this is actually from John Furner, the CEO and president of Walmart. So this is what he had to say. In our ongoing effort to get customers the items they want and fast, we know it will take a well-coordinated network of delivery solutions, again, there's that word, that span the streets, sidewalks, and skies. Some of these solutions are still emerging, but they are already showing encouraging results. And I think that is a big target towards drones because we're definitely getting there. Last year, we partnered with DroneUp, a nationwide drone services provider, to launch trial deliveries at home pandemic self-collection kits. So COVID-19 self-collection kits. The trial demonstrated we could offer customers delivery in minutes versus hours. Now, after safely completing, there's that magic word again, safely completing hundreds of drone deliveries from Walmart stores. Ladies and gentlemen, that is massive. Hundreds of drone deliveries from Walmart stores. We're making an investment in DroneUp to continue our work towards developing a scalable last mile delivery solution. DroneUp operates an on-demand drone delivery network that matches their database of more than 10,000 Federal Aviation Administration FAA certified pilots to missions nationwide. Since partnering with DroneUp last year, we valued their technological expertise, world-class operations, and experienced management team. and their commitment to helping the FAA ensure the highest level of safety, there's that magic word again, with every delivery. As well as respected industry innovator, DroneUp was the first operator to use the FAA 107.39 waiver, an operation that allows for delivery flights to be conducted over people and moving vehicles. DroneUp operates commercially throughout the U.S. and is authorized government drone services provider for 11 U.S. states serving public sector organizations. We're going to dive into that just a little bit more because they do both public and private. Walmart already has a significant part of infrastructure in place, 4,700 stores stocked with more than 100,000 of the most purchased items located within 10 miles of 90% of the U.S. population. So basically they're creating little micro factories is what I'm understanding from this. This makes us uniquely positioned to execute drone deliveries, which is why our investment in DroneUp won't just apply to skies but also the ground. In the coming months, we'll be beginning our first operation at the store in Bentonville, Arkansas. Obviously, that's the headquarters of Walmart, and that is by far, I've been there, one of the nicest Walmarts I've ever seen in my entire life. In April, we announced a similar investment. Now, this is kind of talking about more a little bit of groundwork, and I think it's significant as well. It says in April, we announced a similar investment into Cruise, an all-electric autonomous vehicle company. Through these commitments, we are learning how these technologies can get customers the items they need. Conducting drone deliveries at scale is within reach. I think that is just mind-blowing right there. The fact that he is saying it is within reach. I mean, that's tremendous. DroneUp's expertise combined with our retail footprint and proven history of logistics innovation puts us right where we want to be for that day. Because when it comes to the future of drone delivery, we know the sky's the limit. I like it. That hypes me up. That is absolutely incredible. I would have loved to hear him actually probably give this. But man, that is such a tremendous write-up right there. And just to hear him, put that emphasis in there, super exciting. So now that we've got to this point, you guys are probably like, Lucas, what is DroneUp? I don't remember your last video, or I need a little bit of a recap. Can you touch back on DroneUp? Of course I can. That's what I'm here for, ladies and gentlemen. So let's dive back into it. DroneUp is a leading complete drone service provider transforming businesses and government organizations with drone technology solutions. DroneUp's diverse suite of products includes flight services, data analysis, drone program development, regulatory consulting, training, equipment, and Part 107 drone delivery. The 107, as we just saw, is absolutely significant, ladies and gentlemen. It literally gives the FAA, the ability to provide licenses to pilots. It's absolutely incredible. Recognized as a UAS industry pioneer with patent mobile app technology and commitment to research and development, DroneUp further fuels invention and application across private and public sectors. With our people, services, and innovative solutions, DroneUp delivers on operational challenges with efficiency, reliability, and safety. There's that magic word again. You're not going to hear, you're going to hear that word a lot. And that is a huge piece when it comes to really the approval process when it comes to the FAA. Safety, safety, safety. So we are understanding that they are working hand in hand with Walmart, and that is absolutely incredible to hear the investment. But now we're going to be talking about from an industry standpoint. DroneUp provides end-to-end aerial data collection services. We locate, qualify, and deploy drone pilots to your requirements, delivering on-demand drone services. DroneUp is poised to assist the following commercial industries with aerial data collection solutions: agriculture, architecture, aggregate, chemical, commercial, real estate, construction, engineering, energy and utilities, solar, wind, transmission and distribution, transportation, oil and gas, and facilities management. Our certified drone pilots validate airspace and offer specialized options and equipment from panoramas, 3D models, simulations, high definition images and videos, infrared, multispectral, and LiDAR. They cover it all, ladies and gentlemen, and it's all right there. And this is just the industry side. We provide secure collections and data from pre and active evaluation to post-inspection records. We understand your requirements. I think this is an amazing piece, and really just lays it all out there. Lets you know that they basically have their hand in every aspect, and that drones can provide these services in this manner. It's absolutely incredible. And now we're going to be talking about the public sector, because they also do that as well. So DroneUp provides end-to-end aerial data collection services. DroneUp locates, qualifies, and deploys drone pilots to your requirement, delivering on demand drone services like they do also with the other service. DroneUp is poised to assist the following public sector entities and markets with aerial data collection solutions, aerial inspection and mapping data, agency media relations and marketing services, agriculture and game management, emergency support services, and law enforcement support. Absolutely incredible, and I think you're going to start to see a lot of that really develop into more once a lot more regulations are put in place as acceptable. And I think this is just a huge step in the right direction. And I think Walmart is definitely seeing that, and they're definitely seeing the opportunities. They see what DroneUp is doing within this sector, and that's just taking massive leaps, massive strides in the positive direction. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe that you're going to start to see some major players come together and really develop some just epic stuff when it comes to the drone sector. I believe that 100%, and because I think they want to make sure, again, that magic word safety is just fully the main topic and the main functionality of how drones really perform. Safety is number one, and so they're going to do everything they possibly can. And by coming together and just creating something that works and is very fluid, you're going to see that done. And I think that this could not be a bigger, just topic and things like that. I think this is just a tremendous opportunity. And I'm looking forward to the continued information on the progress and really this partnership and investment as we continue forward. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on DroneUp and Walmart. I can assure you that they're probably going to keep pumping out more information. So what does that mean? Well, Lucas is going to continue to pump out the information. I really do appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video. It means a ton. I do want to remind you guys I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. And that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoyed the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.